Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Alright, see you.
My friend's died. Like, this is so weird.
GoPro. Capture. So this is the place where I had a road accident. I was riding with Yashwant and Rahul. We skipped the last night's sleep and we're trying to push ourselves. I was in the air and then sliding down the road, but it wasn't, you can say, a very major injury. Luckily it was just scratches and bruises. This used to be the most loved road for me, but now I revenge it from this road every time I return here. And I've ridden so much on this one again and again, and I can do it with a closed eye.
जिंदगी थोड़ी छोटी ही क्यों ना हो, जिद हमें बड़ी ही चाहिए। With Ganga on the cliffside, the views of this road are completely astonishing. Plus, you rarely see a mountain road being maintained so well. You could actually aim for mountaintop speeds over here. जब पहली बार इस रोड पे आया, I decided that someday I'll return back with my friends for a ride. मैं सपने बहुत देखता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे अपना हर सपना पूरा करना आता है। In 2018, I came back here with my friend Yashwant and Rahul. It was one of the hottest days of summers, and we have been riding overnight for 7 hours continuously. We noticed Yashwant was too sleepy and tired. It was their first time riding on mountains. I asked him to be behind me and started leading the road. But the fact is, even I was tired and equally sleepy. Even then, the astonishing views of this place were not ready to let me calm down. One more time, they dragged me into the world of dreams. और यही सोचता रहा कि एक दिन अपने डैड को लेके यहाँ आऊँगा। मैं पीछे बैठूंगा और बाइक उनसे राइड करवाऊंगा। इन नज़ारों में और सपनों में ऐसा खोया कि कब आंख लग गई पता भी नहीं चला। और जब आंख खुली तो बाइक कहीं और थी और मैं हवा में उड़ रहा था। सपना ही लगा था वो मुझे। पर जब जमीन पे गिरा तो ना जाने कितनी दूर फिसलता चला गया। और मेरी ये बात बहुत अजीब है कि जब भी एक्सीडेंट होता है मैं खुद को भूल के पहले अपनी बाइक की तरफ भागता हूँ। लोग मेरी तरफ दौड़ रहे थे और मैं अपनी बाइक की तरफ। बाइक्स हैंडल was still damaged. I had to ride it down the mountains to mechanic and then directly to camps. I remember we slept for 14 hours continuously. I was still in pain when I woke up, but then the fact that I'm on mountains injected me with so much of adrenaline that I didn't even remember the accident. जिंदगी चाहे थोड़ी छोटी ही क्यों ना हो, जिद हमें बड़ी ही चाहिए।
Look at this place. I think we are almost near Shiv. I have not checked the map. It's just that I'm liking the road and I'm not stopping. This seems like a very small traffic. Just some issue over there, I think. I'll pause the recording for a while. Once I'm clear, I'll switch it on.